Hey everybody, it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have this gravity electric grinder set. And so what this is if you have salt or pepper grinders and stuff like that right now, you got to do them like this one. Here's a salt one. It's, oops, it has on top. It's a very manual process. You turn it and the salt comes out. I mean, it's not rocket science. The pepper one here, I don't even think it's not a grinder. This is just peppercorns. So these are just peppercorns. I have no way of getting pepper at the moment. Oh, but I do now. So here we go. Let's check out this gravity electric grinder set and see how this thing works. We'll open it up. And this one here, we can see it's very nice little stainless steel looking components here. And there is a on-off switch, I guess. And how open and close the cover. Okay. Yes, it opens up like that, and I can put the salt and pepper in there. And this one here, the same instructions. Oh, so it'll grind, and then I guess it just dumps out. So let's see what else it comes with in here. Let's just look at all the pieces and parts, and then we'll put it into use. There's something still in there. Oh, the charging cable. Okay, empty now. So here we have a little brush to clean stuff out with and a charger, which is USB to USB-C. So you have to have your own USB nugget, which I'm sure I have them somewhere here. And then this is the base for it. And the base will go, and they'll just sit on there like that to charge. That. And I guess when you have, whoa! Well, hopefully I didn't break it, but there you go. When it's facing you, you'll see what's in there, so you'll know that, hey, this one's salt and the other one's pepper. So I guess they work basically the same. Let me just look at them here. Yep, and that's what it looks like inside. So let's give this thing a try. See how they work. Okay, so let's see if I have it. So it's got a little on-off switch here, right? So I turn it to on. It's not going to do anything until I turn it over, and then it starts grinding. But there's nothing to grind at the moment. But we'll get to that right now. So let's see, let's open up the salt. Oh, can I even open it? Okay, let's try the pepper. Not sure how to open up that salt thing. But here we go. So we got pepper. We're going to put a bunch of peppercorns in here. I don't think it says salt or pepper on each one, so I think they're interchangeable. Just once it's in there, you'll know. And you see it held, you gotta see almost all of the bottom of that. And now it's closed, so let's see what happens here. I'm gonna hold up the plate and we'll turn it over. Oh, I have to turn it back on again. I should probably just leave it on. But there we go. And here we go. You see peppers coming out. Very cool. So you can just pepper as much as you want. When you're done, you just turn it back up right. So how cool was that? It's super sweet. And then you just stick it on this charging base, and it looks pretty nice in the kitchen, and you'll know that it's pepper because it's got pepper in there. Let's see, is there any way to open up this salt one? I can just break it open. Let me go see if I have some pliers. I'll be right back. I don't know if you saw back there, but I broke it open. So here we go. So now I just have a bunch of rock salt, and I will fill this one up with the rock salt. Take off the little sticker. And let's see how much salt fits in there. Ooh. I don't know if the jars were different sizes, but this one here fit basically all the salt. Maybe I just didn't fill this one up all the way. Yeah, I guess there's a little bit of space left. Okay, and we'll make sure this one's on. And let's see, I guess there's no way to choose how coarse, or not coarse, but let's see what the salt looks like anyway. Sweet, get salt out of it. Let's read some of these instructions here and see if it says how to make it coarser or less coarse. Coarser or not, if there's any adjustment. I'm gonna need some glasses. Sorry, I had eye surgery and I can't see anything at the moment. How to use. Really, I guess there's no adjustment on it. It just does it or it doesn't. But there we go. But that's basically it. It looks like it just says, thanks for ordering. Don't immerse it in water. Don't force the grinder to tighten or close. Make sure you turn it on and off. Well, no, just here, there's where you turn it on and off. I guess the idea of turning it off would be if you want to travel with it, turn it off so then things aren't just going to start falling out as you're driving. And then if you turn it on, because otherwise it's just going to go all the time. Like I actually have another one, not sure where it is, and I stopped using it for that very reason. So I had these ones here, which are really cool. They look nice and everything. The problem is once it turns upside down, it would always turn on. There was no off button on it. I had to take out the batteries. This one here had regular batteries too. So, I mean, it looks nice, but that was about the only thing good about this one here, is that it looked really pretty. But these ones here now are nice and rechargeable, and kind of nice the way it has a cap on it too. So if things splatter on it and stuff, it's just not going to keep it next to the stove. So I'm going to give this thing here a total thumbs up for me. I like it. And you can see this is what it looks like here. I'm going to go set it up now in my kitchen and it'll be ready to go. So there we go. I'll put a link to it in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thumbs up for me for sure. Very cool. Gravity electric grinder set. Totally cool. So I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.